Hi, this is John from Ilium Works, and today we're going to install a heel toe shifter on this K1600 GTL. This also applies to the K1600B bagger. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is use this hook and remove the retaining clip that holds the shift rod on. Pull it off of the ball. Okay, now using the T40 Torx driver, we're going to remove the bolts. I'm going to pull the kickstand down at this time so it doesn't put pressure on the part. After we've taken this off, we're going to retain the washer. We're going to retain this washer that came with the original part and the bushing that came out of the shift lever. Now we're going to remove the linkage ball. I'm taking this dust seal off and utilizing a box wrench. I'm gonna 11 millimeter. We'll remove the ball. To get the heel toe shifter, reinstall the ball. Okay, we'll reinstall our dust shield and the bushing. Now I'm going to take a dab of grease and put it on the surface on the side plate there and stick the washer in there. It makes it a lot easier to reassemble this. Our new outer bushing and the long screw, feed it through everything, and then offer it up to the bike. This one takes a 6 millimeter Allen wrench. Get it started. Get the other two T40s started. Okay, now we're going to tighten up our 8 millimeter screw here that replaced the longer 8 millimeter T40 screw that was in the stock location. We'll snug these up. Okay, now we're going to retorque the screws, 17 pound-feet or 22.5 Newton meters. Switch to the 6 millimeter. Okay, check for our function there. Now we're going to reattach the shift linkage. Okay, now we're going to reinstall the retaining clip. It's a lot easier to do with a set of needle nose pliers. The hole is very difficult to see. It's kind of covered up in the back there. You just have to feel for it. When you get it in, then you just swing this around the shaft until it clicks into place. Once this retaining clip is clicked into position, you want to check the shift lever for function. You're good to go.